guys are good for this new year. I just thought to myself, let me just start another one with the Microsoft Excel. As you can see, this is the main page. I just wanted to tell you guys a few things first. As I'm selecting, these are called cells individually, but put together, this may be called as a row. This all together is called a column. There's a reason why. Stay in tuned. Yeah, so I was just thinking, let me just type something for the new year. Back to school in cell 1, A1 rather. Tell myself, okay, let's do a stationery list. Since the new year, going back to school, thought to myself, okay, let me go to cell 2 now, cell B2 rather. I'll say amounts. See, I just typed in, I did not do anything. But I just want to show you a trick. If you wanted to add on, you just go up there next to the FX, just type in item, because I wanted it to say stationery item list. Excuse my voice, I have flu. Yay me. I told myself resize. Okay, we can do it the old school. Drag and drop. See that line in between there? Or just like me, I just double click and I get the precise size. Okay, I thought to myself, let me just think, what could we be doing to add together as an item list with the amounts and a total, of course. Let's begin. Okay, books. We'll say pens. Probably thought to myself highlighters, but it's the same thing, isn't it? Rulers. I thought, can I add more? Then again, yeah, miss typo. Rulers. Let me see now. How much could each one cost? Let's see now. Oh, not one rather, but in bulk. Okay. I left that as general. It can be also numerical, but for this exercise, I left it as general because I wanted to show you guys a couple of things. I said, okay, 50, 20, 10. Depending on which country you're at, it could be rands, it could be dollars. And then I said, okay, let me sum up a total. Let me show you one function that majority of us are familiar with. It's called the sum. You can either type it in, but I wanted to show you where it is. You go there to the ribbon, sum, then it automatically picks it up. That was it. I hope you guys went into the new year wonderfully. Bye.